Welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw King Deadward from Yokai Watch. So when you start drawing him, you just gotta start with the eye. Remember folks, when drawing characters, you have to start with the eyes. Okay? Otherwise it gets so messed up and ruined. Sorry about this folks, but I've got a reputation to uphold. Anyways, here's his head. Next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw the crown upon his head. Draw the diamond. And okay, yes, so oh. And here's his box-like body. Man, they call him King Deadward for a reason. Known fact, kids, he's a legendary yokai. And he was first seen in the Cluvian continent. Okay, here's his belt. And almost there, folks. Next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw his sword here. Okay, we're almost done with his sword. Alexa, play Unbeatable.
Unbeatable from Pokemon Advanced Battle by Mr. Deuce on Amazon Music.
let's add some music. Now we're getting somewhere.
Walking down this endless highway with nothing but my friends beside me. We'll never give in, we'll never rest. Advanced battle is the ultimate test. From the earth, the land, the sea and sky. They can never win, but they sure can try. Oh, I'm unbeatable. Pokemon, advanced battle. Oh, I'm undefeatable. Broken stars in the ancient past. They come to play, but they never last. Oh, I'm unbeatable. Pokemon, advanced battle. Oh, I'm undefeatable. Oh, advanced battle. I'm unbeatable. Pokemon.
Okay, that takes care of that. We're almost done, folks. Man, he's looking awesome. And there's one last feature we need to add. Oh, shoot. Let me just zoom out a bit. And the last thing we need is his deadward cape. You know, because he's a king. There we go. That's how you draw a King Deadward. Hold on, let me just draw his last piece of hair. There we go. Now we're complete. Anyways, this King Lee Yokai is adored by all his fellow zombies. His tendency remains even as his body decays. Anyways, Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll let you guys know what I'm going to draw you guys next. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know which monster I'll draw you guys next. Bye. Wait, did I say that again already? My bad. Sorry.